Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Ironman Mark 39 Starboost Test Fit 2.0. Hopefully this will go better than it did yesterday because I tried it on and it just started breaking. Some of my seams weren't very secure, so I went through yesterday and part of this morning re-strengthening all of the seams. So let's give this a shot. Here we go. I got it. It took a while, but it takes some practice to get this suit on. Still have some improvements that I need to make. Here's the gist of it. I still got some work to do on this chest here to make it connect better, but I'm happy so far. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.